Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread sweet. We'll dive into various techniques and ingredients that can transform your cornbread into a delightful, sweet treat. You'll learn about different sweeteners, their unique contributions, and how to incorporate them effectively. We'll also explore other delicious add-ins and essential baking tips to achieve that perfect balance of sweetness and texture. Get ready to elevate your cornbread game. When aiming for sweet cornbread, your choice of sweetener is key. Granulated sugar offers a straightforward, clean sweetness, while brown sugar introduces a richer, molasses-like depth and extra moisture. For a more natural flavor, honey or maple syrup can provide distinct aromatic notes. A good starting point for a moderately sweet loaf is often around 1/2 cup of sugar, but feel free to adjust to your personal preference. Beyond traditional sweeteners, several add-ins can significantly boost your cornbread's sweetness and flavor profile. Incorporating about 1/2 cup of creamed corn not only adds natural sweetness, but also extra moisture, resulting in a tender crumb. For subtle fruit notes, try adding 1/4 cup of applesauce. A small amount, perhaps 1 teaspoon, of vanilla extract can also enhance the overall aroma. Don't forget about 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen berries for a delightful fruity twist. Achieving perfectly sweet cornbread also involves smart baking techniques. First, avoid overmixing your batter. This ensures a tender, moist crumb that complements the sweetness. A common baking temperature is 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes, allowing the sugars to caramelize beautifully. Serving your warm cornbread with a dollop of butter or a drizzle of honey can further enhance its delightful sweetness, making it an irresistible treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.